Guys, in this video, I want to talk about my traveling trading station. As you know, I'm traveling all around the world. I've been to the 7 continents, been in the airports, up in the mountains, or in the 5-star luxury hotels. I always have my office. And that's the beauty of trading, because you can trade from anywhere. You just need the right equipments, right setup, not very expensive. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what are they and how you can actually get that. I hope that you can also travel the world the way that I do and trade from anywhere that you want. Now in this video, I want to show you exactly what I have in my bag. Each of the items that over the years I actually went through and I found useful and I should carry with me. And I hope that you like that. Links to all of the stuff that I have here is pinned in the comment. Feel free to check them out. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you do enjoy the video, I appreciate to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing that I have is a bag. The bag is very important for me because it will fit really nicely on my carry-on luggage. It has wheels underneath, and I can actually, in the airport, I can carry with that. I don't like the backpacks because this can get heavy, and if you put everything on backpack over time, it really hurts the back. I really love that I can actually move it around. It has the handle that goes up and down depending on if you put it on your luggage or not. It's really, really nice. The price is about a couple of $100s. It's Briggs & Riley, and I like that. It's kind of old and I need to renew it. It has different components for the laptop and a screen, and if you go inside, there's all this stuff that you can actually put in there. So the laptop that I'm using is a Dell Inspiron. It's not a very expensive laptop, and you do not need a very expensive laptop for traveling. Laptops get very expensive for the graphic cards by NVIDIA, and the gaming laptops are generally good, very robust, but the problem with that is the processors usually is a little bit too much for trading. For trading, you really do not need a very heavy graphic card. What you need is probably like 16 gigabyte of RAM. So don't go with a very expensive laptop. Try to get a good gigabyte RAM on that. And just when you're buying a laptop, also consult the guy and say, this is what I wanted for trading. Trading does not require a very heavy processing. So the Dell Inspiron, I'm using it. This one has actually been 3 years and has been really, really good. And I like that. It has a few USB ports, 1 mini USB and 1 HDMI. And I'm going to explain to you how each of them are going to be used. I do have 15-inch Asus high definition portable screen. And I love them. They're very high quality. They come with a case and they connect to the laptop with the USB-C and an adapter that I'm actually going to explain what is that. So I have 3 of them. And again, they're coming with a really nice cover. They're 15-inch. They're about $150 each. I think they're really, really good price, and I love them. I had the older version, but I'm not using the older version. Now the high definition newer versions are there. And so that's it was into my first compartment, the laptop and the screens. And then in the inside compartment, what I have here is I have a stand for it. This is very, very important because where do you want to put your screen? So this is a very, very nice stand that I have that I can actually put my screens on this stand and connect it to my laptop. Of course, you need the mice. I don't like the wireless mouse. I have sometimes difficulty with them, so I use a cable mice. Of course, the pad is very important. It's very low weight. You really need that because you can't find a place that this mice works really nice. This is very important to have that. Of course, adapter for your laptop. Very important not to be a very big and heavy adapter for your laptop. I do have a couple of adapters when I'm traveling all around the world because you do not know exactly in each country that you are what kind of plug that you're getting. So I have these kind of adapters. Pro tip, if you get into some country that you don't have the adapter, ask the hotels. Hotels usually they have it. And I usually don't return it when I borrow it from the hotel. So I always keep them. So that's a pro tip. Okay, so I have the adapters. It's very important to need it. Again, depending on how many screens you have, you need a multiple screen because you do want to put them when you're actually setting up your laptop. It's very important to have enough stand for it so you can actually put your screen on that. In terms of connection, so these screens are connected, they're having USB-C. So one of the USB-Cs are coming here, and the other one has to connect to the laptop. So the laptops usually don't have many USB-C. So what they have, they come with a USB-C to normal USB adapter. This is important because my laptop has only one USB-C, but if I want to connect 2 or 3, I need the USB. So they come with an adapter, USB-C to USB, and now I can actually connect to my laptop with the USB. However, if you have 2 or 3 screen, how do you want to connect that? In that case, you need more USB ports, and I'm using a terminal, a hub, USB hub for my laptop. So I'm connecting USB hub to my laptop, and then I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB extra port. Usually the laptops can handle up to 3 additional screens, so you can have 5 or 6 because the graphic card cannot handle that. And 3 is good with one laptop itself, so you have 4 screens. That is more than enough for trading. Obviously, you don't get something as big as my trading office or your own trading office, but that's good enough for trading. And it comes with the power, so you can actually power it directly through the plug, so it doesn't drain the battery of the laptop. You can still use this one by itself and connect it directly to the laptop. However, if you do that, then the battery is going to be drained much faster. All of these monitors also get powered by this or by the laptop, so you don't need any external powering for these Asus high-definition 15-inch traveling stations. And that's it. That is essentially my trade. I'm going to actually show you how it looks like. All right, guys, so that was how I built my trading station, and I hope that you benefit from it. If you did enjoy the video, I appreciate a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And if you're considering trading, make sure to check my book on Amazon, How to Day Trade for a Living. Thank you and happy trading.